In this video we're going to show how to convert this print page into an interactive version for the Apple iPad. First thing to do is to open a new Mag Plus designed page, and I'm just going to give it a name here. We're going to do this for the iPad Retina because that's what we've got here to preview it on. So here's our blank page, and before we do anything else I'm just going to set a couple of preferences. First of all, I'm going to make the background of the page white. Then I'm going to save this file. And then finally, I'm going to choose an export folder, which is where the finished page will be placed. With that done, we're ready to get to work. So initially, going to create the simplest design possible in the least amount of time. All I have to do is copy and paste the content from the print page. Then, as you can see, it's a bit too big, so resize it down here. And there's some folio information on the bottom right that I'll remove before nudging up the headline and subhead. Now, that's it. It's not the most complicated layout in the world, but it should work, so let's have a look at it. If I click Fast Review, it'll pop it over to the iPad. And there it is. You can see it's mostly fine, although the bottom line of the subheading, the descenders of the text are cut off, so we'll need to fix that. So I'm going to change the properties on that text box, just make sure that it's aligned nicely with the bottom of the headline. And that should do it. If we look at the reviews that are on this page, if we look at maybe the top left-hand camera in particular, we'll see that each one has a URL printed for the reader to get more information. Now we can actually do a bit better than that short URL. We could send someone to the exact page on that website. So I'm going to copy the URL here. Then just from the object panel, click the link button. And you can see a large blue tappable area appears. I'm going to paste in the URL to the page on the Fuji website and just resize the tappable area so it goes just over that link. With that done, I'm going to fast review the page on my iPad and check that when I tap it, that link under the Fuji review, there we go, it opens up the website. So in just a few minutes we've created a really nice usable iPad page. Next, let's make it a bit more interactive.